haven't gotten that far off yet.
My college is cooler than your college.
I have had some pretty interesting dreams about them.
I know, it's funny what your mind takes in when you don't think about it, and all of a sudden you I always wonder about dreams.
I have no idea. I just know one night I was obviously dreaming and I was here working and I got a call from our supervisor asking me if I had been in upper level.
Kitty.
No, what upper level? And then all of a sudden I'm looking up and there's an entire second floor full of dinosaurs. So it was very